Hello guys, it's DEFI here again, and I would like to take you through my daily update about DeFi staking platform. You guys, this thing is just incredible. We are in day number 10 as we speak today. The auction is open. Actually, it opened 4 hours ago because we have 20 hours left for it to end. And if we look at yesterday, day number 9, the auction ended at 18.857 million Tron. So there was a slight improvement from day number 8, which ended with 15.249 million. So I'm sure today we might get a high compared to this, because I've seen, because here it went down a bit and it has started coming up here by above like 500,000. So in this video, so I just want to show you guys what to do when the days you staked are over. You see, some people don't know, asking very many questions, so I'm here to answer all those questions. What do you do? You staked for 10 days, you staked for 5 days, the 5 days are over. How do you get your dividends? How do you get your DSP back? So all those I'm going to answer in this short video. So now we go to stake. I have one finished stake here. I did the test withdraw and I made a video about that. So these are my active stakes, as you can see them. I have two to collect. I have this one and also this one. So now before the days you staked are over, you'll have cancel buttons. Yeah, remember when you cancel, you're given a penalty, which I wouldn't want you guys to face. So I wouldn't emphasize you to cancel any stake at all, because we're here to make profits, and when you cancel a stake, you're losing out on profits. So I put up these stakes for 2 days. I started earning on day number 8 up to day number 10, which was yesterday. This stake alone has earned me 582 Tron, and this stake has earned me 1,500 Tron. So I'm going to collect all of them. So when I click the collect button here, two things happen. These dividends, they go straight to your Tron wallet that is attached to the account. So this is my Tron account. Tron wallet that is attached to this account, and these shares, they have to go to my DSP balance. So the shares come here, the dividends, they go to my Tron account. They go to my MetaMask, not my, I'm using a Tron link, so they'll go to this account. So if we take note of what is here, there is 174 Tron, and in the DSP balance there is 629. So if we click this, $500 is going this side, and then 326 is going to the DSP balance. Let's do that. So I'm clicking on collect button. It pops up my wallet to accept. You can read the function here. It says stake end. So I click on it. Let me refresh and you see. You see, it has gone. You see how this one has changed. The 300 has gone here. Let's collect this one also. Let's first check in my wallet. You see the 500 Tron has come here. So that's how it is done, guys. Let's refresh this wallet. It is having to. Let's collect this one also. I accept. Refresh the page. You see, the DSP balance has increased, and also the Tron in my wallet has to increase by all means. This is what I'm saying, guys. So you can receive 2 payments from this address, this one and this one, today within a space of 2 minutes. So that's what happens when your stakes are over. You do a withdraw, you just click the collect button. The dividends, they run to your Tron wallet, and shares, these ones, they go to your DSP balance. So I can stake these ones again to earn me more dividends, or I can exchange it to Tron. Now we exchange it to Tron using simple swap. This right here. So we just put in the token that we want to exchange, and we exchange it here. So if we are to choose, hold on a bit. Now guys, I made the mistake here. We don't use simple swap, we use just swap. I got confused a bit. We use just swap. So this is just swap. So you just have to enter your DSP tokens here. For example, here I'm having 2235. We just have to bring it here. We change here, and we put DSP, search for it, and we look. Now we have had some clones of DSP here. So you look for the one that ends with a contract, which has 27, because our contract here, it ends with 27. For example, if I'm to look at my wallet here, look at the contract that sent me money, it ends with 27. So you see here. So when you go to just swap, you look for the one that ends with 27, which is this one. So when I click on that, and it has to bring the balance, this one that is already in my DSP token here, in my balance here. So I'm changing from DSP, so I can put 2235. I'm not going to swap. I just want to show you guys how it is done. For those of you who want to swap, I can't swap my tokens now because they are so valuable. I need them. So we select that token where we want to go. You can change it to Tron. You change it to Tron, you'll get 11,000 Tron. You can also change it to BTC. You get this amount of BTC. So you just change to any amount that you want. Those who want to change to Tron, you change to Tron, you get this. So that's how we swap the tokens at the moment. So if you feel like this rate is okay, just click on approve, and it will take you to the next step. So I'm not going to do that. So guys, that's how we collect the dividends when the stakes are over. So I have some DSP balance here. I'm gonna stake it. Let me stake it for 10 days. You see, I've been staking for 10 days. This is 10 days. This was my first stake, guys. It has earned me over this in dividends. All these ones were for 10 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They were for 10 days. I did this one for 30 days, even this one for 30 days. I've been changing them like that. This one is also for 30 days, and this one is also 30 days. So I'm going to go back to my normal routine of 10 days. So I'm staking 2235. Remember, you shouldn't put the points. These points shouldn't put them there. Let me put it for 10 days. So it will end on day 21, as you can see here. Brings my wallet for confirmation. You can see, always with this function, guys, says stake start. So you click on it and it has been staked for 10 days. So let's refresh. Now I've had some members who are asking me, let's the active stakes open. Someone asks, why has my stake been in waiting for that time? So I've staked. When you stake, it has to be in waiting till this timer goes to 0. Now when this timer goes to 0, it will appear like this. Now these ones, they have just started to be active. So when this timer goes to 0, I will get some dividends here. So that's what happens. So if I'm to repeat it, let me repeat it again. When you make a stake, the progress here will be in waiting, and it will be in waiting till this timer goes to 0. When it goes to 0, the stake will appear like this, because these ones, they were also in waiting, but when their timer went to 0, they started to be like this. So now these ones, when this timer goes to 0, they will start earning, and I'll get some dividends here. So that's how it works, guys. That's all I had for you in this video. See you in another video.